put my hand on it so I could feel the vibration of the top end up here.
Well, what did you clean when you took that off?
Oh no, I took that off to make sure none of the lifters and nothing were messed up, make sure the rocker was working.
The lifters? Okay. That sound doesn't sound. That's a different sound.
Hate to say it, but yeah, she's done.
What?
The motor's done.
The motor's done?
Yeah.
Can it be rebuilt?
Yeah, I could probably rebuild. I wouldn't run it anymore though.
Do you guys do that?
We don't do rebuilds, no, but
Do you know somebody who could?
I can get some information off of it and pass it along to Eric. He might be able to find you a reman, since we've got a little bit better resources for this stuff. He might be able to find you a reman for pretty cheap.
Okay. So why is it done?
Something's going on to the top end. Sounds like to me a valve is hitting the piston.
Okay. Is there piston damage?
Yeah. If it's banging like that, yeah. It's either that or it's a. See, it sounds like top end to me. So I wouldn't say it's bottom end. But if you keep running it, there's a good chance that whatever's hitting is going to break off, and then it's really going to tear everything up.
Okay, so so how much would it be to rebuild this engine? Do you have any idea?
I couldn't tell you.
Do you know who does it around here?
Just about any machine shop should be able to do it. Do all your machine work and stuff
Do you
like
think there's
that.
anybody available?
Your best bet would probably be Pensacola. Someone in Pensacola.
I found one like this at this company in Wisconsin for $44.50 plus the core.
Jesus Christ, that's ridiculous.
That's ridiculous?
Yeah, that is high for a 2-cylinder Yanmar. $4,000.
It's manufactured.
I mean, that's just somebody had the same problem happen that you did, and then they traded it out and they just rebuilt somebody's old motors. All they did.
So how much is a rebuild?
Just all depends, really.
$2 grand, $3 grand, $4, $5, $100.
It just depends. I mean, what all needs to be replaced, and how much machine work needs to be done, and stuff like that.
Okay.
I know the longer you run it, the more machine work it's going to need.
Well, I'm not going to be running it. And I want to do this as soon as possible because I want to get on with my trip. And I'm going to be doing it every year.
Yeah.
So I want to do it right, you know.
Yeah.
If this was your sister's boat, what would you recommend? Like if your sister was going to be heading across the Gulf.
I would recommend a remanufactured.
Or a rebuild of this one, right?
Or rebuild this one.
Okay.
I wouldn't even recommend going to Iron Scope with this thing right now.
Okay.
That is bad. Now, like I said, that other one that I work on, it knocks just like that. It doesn't shake as bad as this one, but it knocks just like that.
Okay.
Probably not quite as loud, but it knocks a good bit too.
So they're going to be in trouble if they go on a long trip.
Yeah, if he don't stop. But I think he just puts around here with it. I don't even think he really sails with it.
Okay.
Every time I've ever seen him, he's just hanging out at the dock.
So you guys don't do any kind of rebuilds?
We do in the bigger stuff. I don't know. I don't think Chad would do this.
Why is that?
Because it's so little. We do the.
It's important too. It's little guys need help too.
Right, that's true too. That's true too.
You don't know anybody?
I'm trying to think.
Or another one just like it. I can send you the specs on it.
Yeah, let's do that. Send there the specs on it and see if he can't, like an engine serial number. I don't see one up here anywhere.
Yeah, I've got it. I can text it to you.
Yeah, send it to Eric and we'll get him to look up, see if we can't